In this video, I'll guide you through how to sell books on eBay. Whether you're looking to declutter your bookshelf or make a bit of extra cash, selling books online can be a great way to do just that. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process to get your books listed and sold on eBay. First, you'll want to head over to ebay.com. eBay is one of the largest online marketplaces, and it's perfect for selling a wide variety of items, including books. Once you're on the website, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Sell. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the selling page where you can start your listing. Now, on the selling page, you should see an option to Create Listing. Click on that, and it will prompt you to start entering the details of the item you want to sell. Since we're focusing on books, you'll begin by entering some basic information about the book you're looking to sell. This includes the book's title, author, and ISBN if you have it. The more details you provide, the easier it will be for potential buyers to find your listing. After you've entered the book information, the next step is to click on Search. eBay will then search its database to find a match for your book. This is helpful because it can automatically fill in additional details and suggest a price range based on similar listings. If you find a match that perfectly suits your book, select it. Once you've found a match, click Continue. This will take you to the next part of the listing process where you'll need to select the condition of your book. Be honest about the condition, whether it is brand new, like new, or used. Providing accurate information will help you build trust with buyers and reduce the chances of returns. After selecting the condition, click Continue again. Now, you'll need to complete your listing. This involves setting a price, adding a description, and uploading photos of the book. When setting a price, consider what similar books are selling for and decide whether you want to offer free shipping or charge for it. High-quality photos are crucial as they can significantly impact a buyer's decision. Once you're satisfied with your listing, scroll to the bottom and you'll find a button that says List It. Click on that and your book will be live on eBay for buyers to see. It's important to keep an eye on your listing, answering any potential buyer questions promptly and updating the listing if necessary. And there you have it. You've now learned how to sell books on eBay. By following these steps, you can effectively create a listing that attracts buyers and helps you sell your books quickly. Remember, the key to success on eBay is providing accurate descriptions, competitive pricing, and excellent customer service. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.